Okay, what's going on? And welcome back to another moto vlog on the channel. I believe this is my third moto vlog now. Hopefully you are enjoying the previous ones and all of the point of view sound only riding content. I really enjoy making them. So today it is a Saturday and basically we are just chilling on the bike. You know, it's some of the nicer weather we've had. It's still pretty cold. It's about 14 degrees Celsius, that is, not Fahrenheit, as I believe that would be below freezing if that was Fahrenheit. But yeah, pretty chilly. Dry though, that's why I'm out, because it is dry. I definitely wouldn't be out if it wasn't dry. So yeah, I'm just going to be going for a nice little vlog, chat, waffle, ride, that sort of thing. We are currently in Farnham, so there's obviously not going to go through the town because that is mega busy. We're going to go around some back roads, you know, just chilling, taking it easy because, yeah, as I said, it is not that warm. So, you know, we're not going to have a lot of grip on the roads, unfortunately. However, yeah, taking it easy. I've actually, I don't know if you watched my other videos, but I did recently post one titled Mallorca Mountain Ride or something like that. And yeah, basically I was on holiday in Mallorca with my family. You know how it is, family holidays usually happen once a year. And I decided, you know, we had cars and like we were driving around the island basically. And I was like, you know what, this is so scenic. And like, I would love to ride a bike around these areas. So yeah, that's basically what I did. I rented a Honda CB 500X. Not the, pardon me, that was a burp. Not the quickest bike in the world. It's a twin-cylinder 500cc bike. It's kind of like that adventure style, like upright kind of bike. Which I thought, you know what, this is like the perfect bike for these roads. A little underpowered, but it's the perfect bike for these roads. So yeah, rented that. That was about 70 euros. I also paid the €5 damage waiver fee, you know, just in case. Otherwise, I think there might have been a fat excess I'd have had to pay if I'd have dropped it or crashed it, you know. But yeah, that was pretty awesome. I actually took my partner on the back as pillion, which she thoroughly enjoyed, except, I mean, if you watch the video, you will see like some of the hairpins. She was not enjoying going around them and basically me doing overtaking, which it was fine. It was all safe, you know, very responsible riding because I had a passenger. But yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that. So yeah, if you're going away on holiday and you're going to a really nice place like Mallorca or, you know, like Spanish islands, that kind of stuff, and you've got these awesome mountains, yeah, I would definitely recommend renting a bike. Sorry, I just got to concentrate and see. Oh, you're all stopping for this white car. Who is on double yellows, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, look at that. A-hole. So yeah, definitely do that. That stuff was awesome. I think oh my god, why is it so busy here? Jeez. Well, it just clocked how many actual people are kicking about, and we're gonna disappear up behind the castle on the left. Losing my train of thought. Yeah, holiday, great. Lots of videos. I believe there's 3 that I ended up recording, like point of view. No talking because I didn't bring my vlog set up like I have now. I kind of wish I did, because it would have been pretty cool to like talk over and narrate that kind of stuff. Might have made it a bit more interesting, you know, but is what it is. So yeah, wish I'd have bought that. But yeah, back to the here and now. So it's September, it's cold, and I overtake this car for all those people sat outside the cafe. And yeah, basically not a lot going on. Nothing changed my end, basically. Just still doing the same old, same old. I think the only thing that I'm planning to do different is I'm actually planning to buy... Oh, fuck, that was a white line. Jesus. I'm planning to buy another GoPro Hero 12, like the one I'm currently using, and have it mounted like here, pointing at me for a face cam, basically. Just to add another element to the videos, you know, make them a bit more engaging so you can see me while I'm talking, which I thought would be pretty cool. And I'd probably, like, in situations like this where there's like a car in front and nothing interesting, I flip it to my face. Also not that interesting, but At least you don't have to stare at the back of an ugly Range Rover Discovery like this one. So yeah, thinking of doing that. I'm basically not going to get the 13, which actually came out like a week or two ago, because it is essentially the exact same camera. GoPro being GoPro, they're like iPhone. They don't make any changes to their equipment over the years. Well, they do, of course, but like year on year, it's so minor that you shouldn't upgrade if you've got the previous year. But if you're like 2 or 3 behind, then yeah, maybe upgrade. Hello, friend. So yeah, I'm not going to get the 13. This is pointless. I think I can get discount on the 12 because I have the GoPro. It's my fault. I left the GoPro subscription on, so it renewed for £50 a year. But you can get like 100 off your next purchase after it renews. So I'm like, you know, I can kind of see the value there. Plus, if you damage, or I don't know if it's if you do it or if you're like the cameras break, you can get them replaced. So it's useful for that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do basically. I have to get like the exact same ND filters. I'm gonna buy more batteries because I've only got 2 for this. You get one with it, and then I want another 3 for a total of 6. And I need to buy NDs and SDs, all that fun stuff. So yeah, look out for hopefully some of the next videos, not the Mallorca ones because I only had 1 GoPro. For some videos with a face cam. I think I will probably only do it for the talking ones, as like with the point of view riding ones, like it would just be a bit weird if it cut to just like my face. I'm gonna go through. Yeah, that was fair enough. Yeah, it'd be weird if it just cut to my face all of a sudden, like during a no talking vid. So yeah, strictly for the these talking ones. So yeah, on the topic of getting new stuff, after I go past this car. Yeah, on the topic of getting new stuff, I am thinking what bike I would like to purchase next year. Because this bike I share with my father, so it's not always available whenever I want to use it. So I think it's probably about time that I get my own, and I'm thinking basically what do I want to get? And top of the list, like obviously dream bike, which there's 2, like dream bike obtainable next year, dream bike unobtainable next year. The unobtainable next year, but also dream bike, would be the RSV4 RF 1100 Super Sport, not the Tuono, because they are like crazy bikes. I've always been a big fan of Aprilia because I had RS50 and an RS125 when I was younger. Loved riding them, and the RSV4 just sounds amazing. I'm going to try and find the clip that has made me want this as a dream bike. I'm just going to play it now. And yeah, that V4 sound, I believe it's an SC Project exhaust on it. That sound through the forest that's what made me want one. So that is my dream bike. However, I think they're like £18,000 or maybe even 20, something stupid like that. So that's like an unobtainable dream bike for next year. However, a more obtainable version is the first gen RSV4 1000. So ideally like a factory one with the O-lins and all the modes, that kind of stuff. You can find them like a 2010 to a 2013 for about 5 for a ropey one to about 7 for a decent one, all around the 10k mileage mark. So that's kind of what I'm thinking I want to buy next year. Maybe around... Are you actually going right? Yes, you are. And your friend as well, and the stupid KN. Or Cayman, or whatever that stupid car's called. So yeah, thinking to possibly purchase one of them around March next year, if I can. Because basically I've got a higher paying job, so I can kind of justify it a bit more to get one next year. So yeah, maybe we'll be on an RSV4 next year. My dream bike. Hello, friend. But yeah, let me know in the comments basically what your dream bike is, or maybe you're already riding it. If you are, you're very lucky. yeah, because I'm always curious to hear, you know, like what people actually want. Like, if money was no object, what would you buy? Like, don't get me wrong, I think there's better bikes than the RSV4 1100, but it's the one I want because it sounds cool. And we're going to go right. Okay, you're just going to come out. And we're going right. Hurry up, Seat. Thank you very much. Not at all, because I want to chase that S5 or S4 or whatever that thing was. Definitely not for that reason. I'm basically, you've probably seen me do this route like a million times, but at the end of it is where I take photos, partially because nobody bothers me when I'm taking them. And it's a little bit embarrassing sometimes taking photos of yourself. So that's basically why I go to such a quiet place. See ya. Hi, friend. All right, we've caught the Audi up. I want to see what it is. What are you? You an RS or are you an S? I think it's just the S. Yeah, it's just the S5. Very nice car though. I mean, I did have an Audi before. Oh my god, biggest heap of shit I ever bought. Sent it back like 2 days later because it was so crap. Probably my fault for buying a car from somewhere dodgy in London. But yeah, Audis are nice. Very nice. And I'm gonna get by you. I would like to spank that Audi around these bends, but he's probably just gonna chill. Oh well, but yeah, we are near in the place that I take the photographs and videos. I do some videos which I put on my TikTok, which you should follow if you're not following already. Lots of cool stuff on there. But yeah, also down this way is where I did my full A license. I did it late last year. I can't remember when I did. Maybe August last year. I can't actually remember. Yeah, it's called. I think it's called First Gear. Let's not get run over by this car. Yeah, it's called First Gear. It's probably the best place in the whole country. Like, not even overstating that. The best place in the whole country to do your bike test. And the main reason for that is because they've got a big paddock where you can practice all the Mod 1 stuff. So, like, if you do your test with them, like, the Mod 1 is just, you learn so much about it. And I'm not going to say it's a guaranteed pass, but you are highly likely to pass with them for doing the Mod 1. There's a learner there. Hello, friend. You look old. The Union Jack helmet. I'm hoping it's open, so I'm gonna drive past there. I'm pretty sure it is. Is it? No, it's closed. No. Oh, it is open. I'm just fucking stupid. Lots of leaves around here. I'd hopefully not get locked in. But yeah, lost my train of thought yet again. Yeah, best place in the country, I would say, to do your bike stuff, just because of the facilities they have, you know, it makes it easy. They have MT7s for I believe the A2 and the A licenses, which is a fantastic bike. Hello, Lana, again. Hoping they're not closing. There's loads of cars down here. I don't want to get locked in. I've seen people get locked in and then, like, we were on the other side of the fence and they were like, how'd you get out? I was like, you're locked in, mate, unfortunately. But yeah, it's just up on my left. I'll go slow so you can kind of see. But yeah, they got like a track to go around and the cones, which you can see. Yeah, it's awesome. Definitely go there. So yeah, basically our journey's coming to an end. At the end of this road is where I take photos, because it's also a dead end. Lots of dog walkers around here though, so I'm hoping that nobody's parked there. but I'm seeing a lot of cars come from that way, so might be wrong. Or I've been completely stitched up and the gate is open and it's being used as a through road. Then, yeah, no photos for me. But oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, it is being used as a through road. Ah, that sucks. Bollocks. Okay, well, I'm going to have to rethink. So yeah, basically I'm going to end the vlog here while I awkwardly do a 3-point turn. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, as it obviously helps out the channel a whole lot. So awkward. What those? And yeah, like the video, make sure you check out some of my other videos, my socials, TikTok and Instagram, all that fun stuff. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, hopefully see you next time.